this recording is for problem solving with the normal distribution. So this one talks about first finding a z-score, and to find a z-score, we take the data item that we're interested in, and we want to subtract the mean from it, and then divide that by whatever the standard deviation is. And then what we do is we have to look at a table that's given in the assignment to look for this particular number that we have as a z-score, and then once we find it on the chart, then there is a percentage that is there. And so whatever number is given, like if it said 38.2, that's an actual percentage, even though the percentage sign isn't there. And it's actually the percentage of items that are below, the percentage that is below that item. So if I had a z-score and I looked at 38.2, I would say that 38.2 of the data is below whatever data item number I have. So let's look at an example. So let's suppose the mean is 124. The standard deviation is 16. We want to find the percentage that is below 133. So that is our data item. So we take 133 minus 124 and divide that by 16. So then we get 9 over 16, and that gives us 0.5625. And if we round that, that becomes 0.6. So now this is the number that we're going to look up on the table. And what we find is that there is, at 0.6, we see 72.57. So that's the percentage. That means that 72.57% of the data items are below 133. How would we find the percentage above 133? Well, we know that full percentage is 100. We would just subtract that number, so 72.57, and that gives us 27.43%. So that would mean that 27.43% is above the data item 133. All right, another example, find the percentage of data that lie between z equals 0.1 and z equals 2.4. So what we would do here is again go to the table, and 0.1, that tells us that that is 53.98% of the data. And then at 2.4 on the table, that's 99.18% of the data. So to find the amount of data that's between, we just subtract these. So 99.18 minus 53.98, and that gives us 45.2%. So now that's the end of this recording. Now you need to call, text, or Skype message me so we can discuss this and you can get credit. Have a great day.